day 4 of the first week of university term, and today I thought I would show you more in depth what I'm up to during the day and just take you through as I go along. I've already filmed days 1 to 3 and that was last week's video, so make sure that you've watched that as well. But today I'm just gonna film one day in detail and show you what I'm up to. Once again, I've got a fairly busy day today. This week has just been so crazy. I've been here, there and everywhere working so many hours, but I'm hoping that's just because it's the first week of term, although it's looking quite likely that the whole of second year is going to be like this, so that's a bit worrying. But I always say that I do like being busy, so I can't really complain, and everything that I've done so far is super interesting. So it's currently 9 o'clock. I got up at 8 and had breakfast. I'm not really sure what I've done with the other 20 minutes. I've just been sort of like browsing social media and stuff. But now I am going to do the other half of my pre-recorded climate change lecture. I did the other half last night, but it's really complex and it was getting to the point where I just wasn't really taking anything in anymore. So I'm going to do the other half today. Then at 10, I've got a Lub Society meeting over Zoom. Then at 11, I've got a live lecture. And then at 1, I've got another live lecture. And then this afternoon I might head into town and just work in like a cafe or a coffee shop, because that's what I've been doing most days, just so I get out the house a bit. That in that time lapse it probably looks like I'm just copy and pasting the slide from the PowerPoint to a Word document, so I thought I'd just briefly explain how I actually make my lecture notes, because I often get a lot of questions about this. So what I do is I do copy the slide from the PowerPoint to my Word document, only if the slide is relevant. Sometimes lecturers will have random slides that just have like extra photos or like references like that you don't really need, so I don't copy those over, but everything that's relevant I do. And then once I've copied the slide over, I'll listen to what the lecturer is saying about that slide, and then underneath I will add in any points that the lecturer says that aren't on the slide, because last year I did the typical thing of just typing out the slides and it wastes so much time, and because you're busy typing you don't really listen to what the lecturer is saying. So I find this way I actually listen more to the lecturer and you get little bits of extra information, and I just find that I understand it so much better this way. So I hope that makes sense, but that's a brief overview of how I make my lecture notes. Noticed that I've been using a different laptop in this video, and you would be correct. HP has very kindly sent me the HP Spectre 15-inch laptop to test whether it meets the needs of a university student, and it definitely does. Now that university is online and we're all transitioning to this new form of learning, I think it's so important that you've got a really good laptop that means that you can work and learn in the most efficient way possible. The HP Spectre 15 has an Intel Core i7 processor, which means it's super fast and can support everything that you need to do at once as a student. So I don't know about you, but when I'm working I always seem to have so many tabs up. I normally have the live lecture in one tab, then I'm making notes on another tab, and then I'm often researching something at the same time, and having a fast processor means that you can do all of this at once really seamlessly. The laptop also has Intel Wi-Fi 6 in it as well, and this delivers 3 times faster Wi-Fi speed. So I'm sure I don't even need to explain to you the benefits of that. It's great for when you are doing lots of different things at once. It's great for when you're watching live lectures, and those often require a fast internet connection. For me personally as well, it means that I can upload YouTube videos at the same time as working, because normally I'll literally have to stop everything that I'm doing to make sure that I've got enough Wi-Fi to upload my video. But with this, I can upload my video and continue doing my uni work at the same time. Another favourite feature of mine is the webcam kill switch, and I'll upload a close-up so you can see it properly. But this little switch basically means that you don't have to worry about accidentally turning your camera on or turning it off. You'll always know that your privacy is secure, and you can have peace of mind knowing that your camera is definitely off when you want it to be, which once again is perfect for online lectures. HP is currently running a back to school offer as well, which means that when you buy a HP Envy or a Spectre laptop, HP will donate £200 worth of laptops or other equipment to a school of your choice. So I'll link this beautiful laptop down below in the description, and if you are looking for a new laptop for the university year, then I would really recommend the HP Spectre 15. Hello, so it is now 5 to 1 and I'm just about to log on to my second live lecture of the day. So far today I have done my climate change lecture this morning, my pre-recorded one. I then had the LUBS meeting as well. We're just trying to organise the book sale at the moment, which is proving such a faff, but we've got more of a plan now, so that's really good. Hopefully we're going to sort that out in the next few days. Then I had my marketing lecture as well, and I'm so excited for that module. I think out of all of them, that's probably the one that I'm looking forward to the most, because as you probably know, marketing is my forte. It's what I've done work experience in, it's what I'm doing on the Lub Society committee, it's what I'm doing for FinSites. So I'm excited to actually learn the theory behind it, because obviously I have a lot of practical experience, but I've never really learnt it properly. I've just learnt through trial and error. So I'm excited for that, and I've just been finishing up on the lecture for that. And now I've got a lecture for a module that I think is called How Managers Make Decisions. So I'm very interested to see how this can be an actual module, because you'd think decision making is fairly straightforward, but apparently not. I was gonna make lunch in between the two lectures, but I haven't really had time, so I've just been snacking on various things. I had those protein balls that I showed in my last vlog, and then I've got these as well. These are from Aldi. They're crisps made out of peas, but they're actually so pang. I would really recommend them. But yeah, I need to actually stop waffling and log on to this lecture now.
When I say I'm about 3 minutes away from destruction.
Oh, okay, right.
Yeah, surely it can get up here. And that's what's making me feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, Hannah did say they could climb. Update, we found droppings in the cupboard. So now we're not really sure what to do. Cupboard. Yeah, in Megan's cupboard as well, so she just moved all of her stuff out of it. But yeah, we're not really sure what to do now. We've just contacted the landlord, so hopefully he's going to be able to come and sort that situation in the kitchen out. But I've come back upstairs because I need to get on with some uni work, and that mouse unfortunately is not going to do my uni work for me. However, I've only got a few things left that I need to do today. I need to do some online pre-work for my decision making module, and then I also need to make some more graphics for FinSites. So it's currently 5 p.m. I know I said I was going to go to a cafe this afternoon, but one, I just lost track of time really, and cafes close at like 6, so there was no point in me really going. And then also I got distracted by a fucking mouse, so point in the week where I've run out of food and I haven't gone to the shop. So tonight's dinner is a sausage wrap. Although it actually doesn't even look that bad. I've just put salad leaves in there, cucumber, tomato. These are Linda McCartney sausages, then a bit of mayonnaise and a bit of cheese. And this is a leftover wrap that I had from a fajita kit that's just been in the freezer. It's 8:30 and I'm back at my desk for the last time today. After the whole mouse saga earlier, I didn't really get any work done. I made some graphics with Insights, but I didn't do any of my uni work just because I was so distracted and my headspace was just all over the place. But now I've actually got a call with people from the StudyTube project, so other StudyTubers. So I'm actually very excited for this because I haven't spoken to these guys in so long, and I'm hoping that we can all just have a nice catch up, see where everyone's at, see if we can plan anything exciting for the future. And then that is me finally done for today. It's definitely been a very, very weird day, but this is a nice way to end it, so I'm glad that this is happening today of all days. Hi! Hey. How are we all? And we are finally done for the day. Oh my god, this has actually felt like the longest day on the planet. It's currently 9:30. I've just finished up on the call with some of the guys from the StudyTube project, and that was so nice. It was really nice to catch up with them. But I'm gonna end the video here because, not gonna lie, I am literally gonna go to sleep in about 10 minutes time. I am shattered. I hope this video hasn't been too all over the place. It's been a very, very weird day. It's not every day that you find a mouse in your kitchen, although I suppose we haven't really found it yet, but it's there somewhere. But I hope you still enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to check out my social media, which will be linked down below in the description. Bye guys.